Stop wasting your connects on boosting proposals. Now, I know this is going to come as a shock to you, especially if you're a newbie on Upwork. I'm going to reveal a secret to you right into this video. If you are new to this channel and you are seeing our videos for the first time, this is an amazing place to be. Go to the subscribe button, hit on it, and follow us just to encourage us. And if you are a returning viewer, I want to thank you so much for being part of the Audible Talents family. Now, let's jump right in. Here is the reason why I said you might just be wasting your connects trying to boost your proposals. So I did an experiment. I don't usually send out proposals because I use the other technique I'm about to review to you to actually get leads. Now, I tested this. In the last 30 days, I sent out 4 proposals. And out of these 4 proposals, 2 of them were boosted. 3 of them were viewed. I got an interview for the boosted proposal, but I didn't get the job. The boosted connects came back, but the connects for applying did not return. So I want to show you a better way to invest your connects, because the connects are currencies for your Upwork. Now, in order not to waste it, I'm going to show you this strategy so that you can use your connects very well. Now, follow me. So before we continue, here is another proof that what I'm actually saying is real. Now, remember, I've not actually applied for more than 4 jobs in the past 30 days. But in the past 30 days, I've had 184 profile views. In the past 7 days, it's 56. How am I doing this? Now, apart from the fact that my badge is on, there's also something that is driving traffic to my profile. Now, just in a bit, I'm going to show you this. Let me also bring to your notice that one of the major reasons why freelancers don't succeed is the lack power supply. Those times that clients are supposed to reach out to you, you are not there because there is no power. Now, there is a solution for you. What you see on your screen is our inverter system that we can recommend to you. This can charge your laptop for up to 5 times in a day. And when it's full, it can last for up to 2 days. It is cost effective compared to the category, and it's actually made with lithium battery. Now, if you're interested in this, you can actually reach us out in the comment section and somebody will reach out to you to give you more details. Now, let's jump right in. If you look at my screen, just what you're seeing right now, you see that in the last 30 days, I tried to boost my project catalog. So remember, I told you that I was getting traffic, but I'm going to show you what is giving me the traffic. Now, in the last 30 days, I have about 24 views on my catalog, and I got some purchases for my project. So I'm actually having only 2 remaining to settle off. So this is the secret. Now, instead of you to continue to pen connects to boost your proposals, it is actually very effective and efficient to use those connects to promote your project catalog. You will not actually be charged for any connect except somebody clicks on it. So now, let me show you this. I boosted 2 of my projects, and so far you can see that here I have up to 300 plus impressions. It means that for the past 30 days, over 300 persons have seen this project. Now, they might not click the project. Many clients do not click the project. They go straight to your profile. Then when they're satisfied with maybe the things they see on your profile, your experience, and they will now come back to click your project. So that's what explains why you see very large impressions. Now, impressions are very important because it means the number of times that clients actually see you. So 500 is a lot. Let's say an average, a client sees you twice. It still means that for this my market research project, that clients saw my project 500 plus times. Even if you divide it into 2, it's like 250. So this is the best way to actually go about visibility. Now, remember I told you that some clients may not go and click your project right away. They'll go to your profile. So when they go to your profile, because if you look at the client area, clients can actually click your profile directly even before they click on your project. So if you look at this very well, you see that since February 13th, I've actually gotten 3 clicks on my project, 3 clicks on my project, and all of them turned out to convert. So, but like what I showed you before, the difference is clear. I submitted up to 4 proposals or thereabout, and I didn't even get hired in the last 30 days. So if you are looking at how you can actually boost your project, I'm going to show you that right here on this video. Now, I'm going to use this one for verified emails and lead generation. So click on boosts, just like the way I've just done, and then you add the keywords that are related to your project. So for instance, let's say this is a lead generation project. I will just go ahead and say lead generation. That is the first keyword. So there's another one I see here, lead gen analysis, lead generation strategy, lead magnets. So all the keywords that are necessary for you to actually rank, you have to include all of them. Lead management, prospect list building is one of them, prospect research, and so on. You can add up to 10 and a minimum of 3. So once you have done this, all you just need to do is to come and check your connects budget. How many connects are you willing to spend per click? You will not be charged until a client actually clicks your project. So for instance, I decided to choose up to 18 connects for this promotion. This means that I'll get 6 clicks. The more connects you choose, the more clients get to see your project. So this is very important because you can actually go to bed, sleep, as long as you have a good project catalog. Now, for you to learn how to create an awesome project catalog, please look at the project catalog video that is displayed on your screen. From there, you can build an outstanding project catalog. Now, the most important thing about freelancing is consistency. Pursue the goal to the end and never stop. So once you are completed, then you can boost. So immediately you boost this, your project is live, and then wait for the impressions. So I've boosted this project since March. I have less than 10 impressions since then. The more impressions you get, the more likely somebody is going to click on your project. So from February 13th to now, I've already gotten 7 projects sold. So this is just the list of the projects that actually get sold. So, but this kind of approach will get you more jobs than submitting proposals. Let me know what you think at the comment section, and don't forget, subscribe to our channel. Encourage us so that we can make more amazing videos from our experience. Thank you so much. Bye for now.